Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the basics so the phone can deliver sounds. Open Settings, go to Apps, pick Snapchat and switch notifications on. This restores the app-level permission. Once done, make sure the notification sound option inside that menu is not set to silent and that an actual tone is selected. You do this now because Android blocks sounds if app notifications are disabled. Enabling here unblocks delivery before you tweak system sound settings. Now check why Snapchat sound might still be absent. System volume and do not disturb. Raise ring and media volumes so the phone can play tones, and then open do not disturb settings. Either disable it or add Snapchat to the exceptions list so its sounds bypass silencing rules. Next, check battery optimization. Make sure Snapchat is not restricted, because aggressive power saving can stop background notification delivery. These middle steps ensure Android allows the app to run and produce a sound when a snap arrives. Finish by testing and, if needed, a simple reset. Restart your phone to apply permission and sound changes, then send a test snap to verify the notification sound works. If you still hear nothing, clear Snapchat's cache and settings right arrow apps. This often fixes corrupted notification profiles. If that fails, reinstall Snapchat to restore default notification settings. Troubleshooting tip: if notifications are inconsistent, check a different ringtone in Snapchat settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.